Welcome to SimpleFX. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to open a market order. Let's say we want to open a long position. To do this, we click the Buy button. As you can see, this is a market order, meaning it's executed at the current price. We can choose how much Bitcoin we want to buy. Here, you'll see the margin required to open the position. Below that, we have the option to set Take Profit and Stop Loss values. Take Profit is the price at which we want to lock in a potential gain. Stop Loss is the price at which we want to close the position to limit a potential loss. Once we click Submit, our order will be opened. If we want to open a short position, we click the Sell button instead. Again, this is a market order. We set the size of our order, and once more we see the margin required, along with the option to set Take Profit and Stop Loss. After clicking Submit, our order will open. We can check our orders in the Open tab at the bottom of the screen. We currently have two opposite positions, a buy and a sell. We're able to do this because the FIFO option, located here, is turned off. When we turn this option on, our positions will offset each other. Let's see how this works in practice. Let's close our existing positions and enable the FIFO option. Now let's buy 0.1 BTC again, and then sell 0.1 BTC. As you can see, our transactions have netted out to zero.